Oxidation number. As we know that in the reaction we see have any atom or compound have a plus or minus negative charge. So here we understand that what is this charge and what we call it. First we know the rules of the oxidation state. In the reaction we have seen that H2, a single uncombined uncombined state of atom, O2, Cl2. If the atoms are uncombined in the reaction, then their oxidation state is always zero. We generally know that metals have positive charge because metals lose electrons, so it can gain plus charge. And here also the second rule is that metals have a positive charge and non-metals have negative charge. And all the alkali metals have positive charge, and earth alkali metals has +2 charge. We studied later the alkali metals in the chapter is block elements, and I give some little details about that. Alkali metals are sodium, rubidium, caesium, etc. It have positive charge, +1 positive charge always. We see that in the reaction sodium has plus charge, magnesium has +2 charge because magnesium is earth alkaline metals and earth alkaline metals have +2 charge. Now we move to our third rule, that is the oxidation number of oxygen. Always remember that oxidation number of oxygen in almost compound has -2, but some exceptions that oxygen have -1 charge or -1/2 charge. In exceptions, rarely it can come, like preoxides and superoxides have that charge. Preoxides like that H2O2, Na2O2, it has -1 charge on oxygen. And second one is superoxides, and for example KO2 and RBU, rubidium O2, that has -1/2 charge on that. And this is exception case, and almost compounds have oxidation state of oxygen is -2, and this rarely come superoxides or preoxide reactions. Now we move to our fourth rule, that is oxidation number of hydrogen. Oxidation number of hydrogen is +1 in the case of non-metal. If hydrogen is bonded with non-metal, it has +1 charge, but it can -1 charge when it bonded with metal. For example, here see that NaH, and the oxidation state of NaH is -1. H is -1. Lithium, here metal, hydrogen bonded with metal, and here the oxidation state of lithium is -1. And if hydrogen is bonded with non-metal, it has +1 charge. For example, NaCl, chlorine has non-metal and it has minus charge, but hydrogen has +1 charge when it bonded with non-metal. We move to our next rule, that is rule number 5, and in this rule we know about the oxidation number of halogen group, that is -1. We know that the halogen group has fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and it has -1 oxidation number, -1 charge on it. And when chlorine, bromine and iodine combined with oxygen, and it have gives positive oxidation number, and it have positive state, positive charge on it, and and if halogen groups are combined with other atoms, it gives -1, but it combined with oxygen, it gives +1 oxidation state. You can see this example 8.21. Here in the reactant side, hydrogen plus oxygen gives H2O. It is a normal reaction, we all know that. And here see that 2 atoms of hydrogen. In the first rule I say that if any compounds uncombined with any atoms uncombined with, it has zero oxidation state. Here hydrogen is uncombined state and oxygen is also uncombined state. And in the reactant side we see that hydrogen combined with oxygen, and also I see a rule that if hydrogen reacts combined with non-metals, it gives +1 charge, and oxidation state of oxygen has almost -2 to all the compound. Now we move that how can we know that in that reaction oxidation takes place, reduction takes place. So simply here we see that the oxidation state of hydrogen and oxygen is 0, and in the product side the oxidation state of hydrogen is +1 and oxidation state of oxygen -2. And you here simply know that if the oxidation state will increase, here see that the hydrogen oxidation state in reaction is 0 and in the product is +1. It means that 0 to +1 it increases. It means that it takes place oxidation reaction. And here you see that the oxidation state of oxygen is 0 and in the product it -2. It decreases, and you know that if the oxidation state decreases, then it become reduction. And the reduction reaction take place. Here you see that oxidation, an increase in oxidation number that we know as oxidation, and reduction, decrease in oxidation number that we know as reduction. And also in our previous video we say that see that oxidizing agent where you see that acceptor of electrons, and reducing agent see the donator of electrons. Here see that oxidizing agent, if a reagent which increase the oxidation number of any element, that we call oxidizing agent. And reducing agent, if any reagent which has lower oxidation number, that we know as reducing agent. Here you see that how to find oxidation number. हमने रूल्स भी पढ़ लिया, ये भी जान लिया कि ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट जब इंक्रीज करता है तो ऑक्सीडेशन होता है, डिक्रीज करता है तो रिडक्शन होता है. तो कैसे पता करें कि इसका ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट इंक्रीज कर रहा है, इसका ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट क्या है. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग जानेंगे कि कैसे ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट फाइंड करते हैं. हियर you see that I have taken calcium oxide, and we have to find that the oxidation state of oxygen. We have to find that. And calcium in the rule I told that calcium is a alkaline earth metal and its oxidation state is +2. So we have to find the oxidation state of oxygen, and we taking as X to be which we find the oxidation state. So here we know that the oxidation state of calcium is +2, and we have to find the oxidation state of oxygen. So calcium has one atom, that is 1 into its oxidation state is +2. Plus we have to find the oxidation state of oxygen. I don't know why the oxidation state of oxygen. So we have two atoms of oxygen. So here we multiply 2 into X. We consider that X to the oxidation state of oxygen, and after that we have given equal to 0, and we multiply that, we get +2, and here 2x is equal to 0, and here 2x gone and +2 gone to that side, it become -2, and x is equal to -2 by 2 equal to -1. So x equal to -1. Here oxidation state of O2 is -1 here. In this way we find the oxidation state of any combined compounds. And let me show another example, that is MnO4-. You see that negative charge on it. We have to find the oxidation state of Mn, and we have seen the negative charge on oxygen. So how can we find that the oxidation is? Let we show here. As already told that which element we have to find the oxidation and take it as X, and one atoms have Mn, so 1 into X plus 4 atoms of oxygen. And we know that in all the compounds almost oxidation state of oxygen is -2, some exception are there only in a pre-oxide or superoxide. So oxidation state of O2 is -2. So 4 into -2, and here you can see that a minus charge on oxygen atom. So you can taking what the minus charge one only minus showing -1 charge, -2 show -2 charge, and it will written on after equality, it become -1. So here x plus x 4 into -2 become -8 and -1. X is equal to -1 plus 8 equal to +7.